Hello viewers. Welcome back to Think Process YouTube channel. Today, we're gonna design the attractive poster design for shoe brand, which is mostly used for social media marketing. Let's get started. First, set an artboard size 1080 by 1080 pixels. Select Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to artboard size. Select Gradient and adjust the colors, or just follow my actions. Then import the image of athlete. Make a copy for future use. Select the rectangle tool and create a rectangle above the image area you want to clip. Select the image and rectangle, then right-click and select Make Clipping Mask. Type a text or import the brand image and rotate it to clipped picture size. Adjust the text on copied image. Now make a compound path with Ctrl+8. Make a copy for future use. Now select the text and image and select Clipping Mask by right-click. Then import the image. Type the text by selecting Text tool. Adjust the size and spot. Color it. Increase stroke. Import the logo image and adjust it according to design. Now select the rectangle tool and make a thick border lines. Make a copy next to it for multiple times. Then select all and group them. Place a desired spot and send it to backward. Add some shapes by circle tools and place it different spots. Add some shadows and effects, stylize and drop shadow. Now the poster is ready. Hope you liked the video. Support this channel by subscribing for more interesting videos. Thank you and see you soon. Bye bye.